Hey everyone, Michelle here from Level 28 Media. Just wanted to create this short video to share some time-saving tips as you're navigating through Google Ads. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, the first tip that I have for you that not a lot of people know about within Google Ads is a feature of copy and paste. So let's say that you've already built out a campaign within Google Ads, and what you want to do is duplicate it, but maybe change the location, change the audience settings, or what have you. You can just select the campaign that you want to clone and go to edit and copy. And then, or you can just do Control C if you're already familiar with all those Excel shortcuts. Control C or Control V afterwards, and then you can paste it and go ahead and have it pasted, and then it will paste the campaign in the background. You can run this copy and paste functionality across campaigns, ad groups, keywords, ads. So this helps you move a lot quicker within the ads interface. So a lot of people, I know that they tend to build things manually, and as you're building things manually, it can get very complicated. There's a lot of mistakes that can happen. So as you're trying to speed things up, one of the great and more efficient ways of going about it is to use the copy and paste functionality. So it's copy and pasting right now. It's taking a little while because it's a big campaign that I'm copying, but as soon as it's done, it will show up here as a duplicate version of the campaign that I copied. Now this, and actually, there it is. So this is the one that I copied. So then after this, you can just go ahead and change the location and or whatever that you want changed. Now, the second thing that I wanted to share with you in order to be more efficient is a function called GT. A lot of people don't know about this, but here's a little secret hack. Go ahead and go to your keyboard and type in GT onto your keyboard, and then you can navigate really quickly within Google Ads based off of where you need to go. So instead of like manually going into keywords and then negative keywords and adding your negative keywords, you can just go to GT, just type in G and then T, and then type in negative keyword, and boom, you can go to your negative keywords list really quickly, and you can add all your negative keywords that you need to add. So this allows you as an account manager or advertiser to move a lot quicker within Google Ads. But you can search for anything. You can do GT and then go directly to one of your campaigns. GT, go directly to locations and settings. So there's a lot of different ways to move a lot quicker. And this is just like a quick search functionality. The third time-saving tip is the modified columns, save columns functionality. So go ahead and go to overview, and then we're just going to select a campaign. Let's see. And then go ahead and if you have specific metrics or data sets that you like to see all the time, but then Google doesn't save them, what you can do is just go to columns, modify columns, and then you can customize it based off of however you want to see it here. And then you can just save your column list to, let's say, whatever your initials are, and then save and apply. So then the next time you log in, if it's showing the default, you can just go directly into your columns and then select your initials, and boom, it will show you all the metrics that you had initially tried to save or set up to save so that you can move quicker within Google Ads. The fifth item or the fourth item is to segment conversions. So let's say you're running a campaign and you have call conversions and form submission conversions, but you can't differentiate between them within your Google Ads. And you want to see for this campaign how many call conversions or landing page conversions you brought in. All you have to do is go to segment, conversions, and then conversion action, and boom, you'll be able to see the conversion type broken out by the campaign. The fifth item is negative keyword list. So I already shared with you how to navigate really quickly to a negative keyword list with the GT functionality, but a lot of people I see don't actually use negative keyword lists. So instead of manually putting in negative keywords on every single one of your campaigns, if you have a keyword that's super obvious that you don't want your ads to appear for, let's say careers or jobs, you can just go directly into your negative keywords list and add in career or job, save, and then it will apply it to all the campaigns on that negative keyword list. So just make sure that all the campaigns that you wanted applied are listed here below. If they're not, go ahead and click on apply to campaigns and it will add it for you. And then the sixth item that I wanted to talk about is audience application. So a fast way to go about navigating to audiences, you can use GT. You can also just go to audiences. Let this load. Show table. If you want to exclude audiences, you can do that here. You would just go to the filter, and let's say that you don't want to target 18 to 24-year-olds. You can just go to age and select the ages that you don't want. And let's say that it's 18 to 24, 18 to 34, and then you would select the box all the way up here. Select all. Edit and exclude from ad group, and you'd be able to block out all 18 to 34-year-olds. So this is a really great fast way to go ahead and edit your audience demographics. And the last and final tip that I have for you is the Google Ads editor. Not a lot of people know about this, but this is a really great way to make offline changes within Google Ads. You can just go do a Google search for Google Ads editor, and you can download it directly to your computer, make bulk changes, and upload it directly back into Google Ads. And it allows you to just move quicker and make big bulk updates within the editor, so you're not bogged down inside of the interface. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.